Now we continue watching the video about what are erosion and deposition. We stopped here in the previous video.
Them up. Another type of erosion is caused by the wind blowing dust, soil, or sand from one place to another. Sand dunes are large, loose deposits of sand that are moved around by the wind. Wind can also blow topsoil off of fields that are used to grow crops. Farmers often plant rows of tall trees along the edges of fields to prevent wind erosion. Got it? Sure you do.
Okay, now we move to page 238. We will talk the first type or form of erosion, water erosion and deposition. In these two pages, 238 and 239, we will study about some forms of water erosion, like water erosion caused by rivers, water erosion caused by rain, water erosion caused by waves, and then by glaciers. Now, rivers. The faster the river is, the more sediments it can carry. And this is logical. And here you have, they differentiate for you between a fast-flowing river that can form V-shaped, deep-shaped, V-shaped valley, and a slow river that forms a wider valley. And you have a question here about this, how a moving water on flatter land and its ability to cause erosion. Flatter land, more flat land. What about here? They ask you about the speed also of the water. Now we move to rain. Rain can loosen, make the sediments, the rocks and soils loose, break them away from each other's, and they carry them away. And rain also can erode tons of soil and deposit it downhill. To prevent soil erosion, farmers plow furrows on the field's slope. I will explain for you what does it mean that farmers plow furrows now in the PowerPoint presentation. Here we have look here how farmers plow furrows, plow channels with a plow. They plow channels. Why? Look here, to minimize and prevent soil erosion by wind. Imagine here, guys, when it rains and we have a lot of water, water will move in these furrows, in between these furrows. Instead of washing all of the soil away, it will move inside these furrows, and this minimize soil erosion by rain. Here, water move in the plowed furrows, in the plowed channels, in between them instead of washing them away. This is one way to prevent erosion by water. Now here, I mentioned in question 1 how planting some trees or grasses on a steep slope can prevent soil erosion. Look here how the roots of this grass, it holds the soil in place. Look here, it holds soil in place. So on a bare land or planted land, we have more erosion. Bare land without plants or planted land. Now we go here up. Look, weathering is the breaking down of rocks. You have some pictures. Erosion after weathering, breaking down of rocks. Erosion by wind, water, glacier, or waves can move sediments. So erosion, movement of sediments from a place. And then this is also erosion. We have here deposition. After erosion, we said weathering, breaking down. Then erosion, movement of materials. Here, movement of materials. Then deposition, laying down of materials such as rocks or soil, which we call them sediments. Rocks and soil, we call them sediments.